Hi everybody, welcome back to another Science Life Fun project. So today, do you know what today is? So today, March 17th, is St. Patrick's Day. Yep, you're right. And I'm not Irish, but we can do something fun about it. So we're going to make a fun project. It's called Leprechaun Trap. I don't know how many of you make Leprechaun Trap before, but there's a lot of variety. But this one is, I think, it's the most fun. So you can trap a leprechaun. So basically all you need is this cereal box, or if you don't have cereal box, I use Oat Meal Box. Any boxes will work. And then you need a paint. This is acrylic paint, a green one. I chose green one, but you don't need the green one. It's up to you. And you need construction paper, and of course scissors, any kind of embellishment. I have this Shamrock clover. If you don't have one, that's fine. And then Popsicle Sticks and Rolo caramel candy. But if you don't like Rolo, you can use any other candy. So basically, what I did over here is I'm paint everything with the paint over here, green, and then put a hole in here. So it should be a trap for your leprechaun. And then what I did over here is you take two popsicle sticks adjacent to each other, and then broke it into half like so, and then you glue gun it with your glue. But I think glue gun will work the best, because regular glue, I don't think it will work. Okay? And then, so you put it on the hole over here. Okay, so you use like a stairs. Okay, and then you put your Rolo as a gold over here. You can decorate it however you like so. So then, if you like, you can put a lot of candies over there, and then a lot of candies inside of the box, like so. So then, when your leprechaun comes, and then it will jump up to the candies. So yeah, that's how I think it will be most fun. But there's a lot of variety. If you like to make one, I saw one with the Q-tips or with another cereal box, and then you just can trap the leprechaun over. So I think that should be fun too. So however you like to do. So until next time, I hope you have fun with this project, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Don't forget to watch our Make It Monday and our story time. Until next time, I hope you guys have a good day at school.